Welcome to the official Cluster Yield business presentation. Hello everyone, I'm Aditi from Cluster Yield. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how our platform works, the earning plans we offer, and how you can start generating daily passive income in USDT automatically. Cluster Yield is built for investors, affiliates, and leaders who want simple, secure, and scalable income. Let's dive in. Cluster Yield is an AI-driven platform designed to deliver daily USDT rewards through automated crypto trading. It runs entirely on blockchain technology, with all investment logic coded into smart contracts. That means it's transparent, secure, and fully decentralized. You don't need any trading experience, just choose a plan, and the AI handles everything else. Here's how Cluster Yield works in 5 simple steps. Choose a plan. Select an investment plan that fits your goals from 7 to 180 days. AI-powered trading. Once you invest, our AI engine automatically analyzes the market and executes trades on your behalf. You earn daily. You receive USDT rewards every second, directly claimable via smart contract to your wallet. Also, capital unlock. At the end of your plan, your full capital is unlocked and available for withdrawal. Refer and earn more. You can invite others using your referral link and earn commissions across 17 levels based on your team's daily profits. It's that simple. You invest, the AI does the work, and you get paid daily. Cluster Yield offers 8 investment plans with different durations and daily returns. You can start with as little as $10. The longer the plan, the higher your daily return. Plans range from 7 days at 0.7% daily all the way up to 180 days at 2.8% daily. Your capital is locked during the period and automatically released when the plan ends. It's simple, flexible, and fully on-chain. Cluster Yield includes a powerful 17-level referral system. You earn commissions whenever your downline claims profit, not just when they deposit. The first 5 levels offer high earnings. Level 1 gives you 20% unlocked with a $10 deposit. Level 2 gives 10% unlocked with $50. Levels 3 to 7 level each pay 5% unlocked with deposits from $100 to $300. It's a great way to build extra income from your network's activity. As your deposit increases, you unlock deeper levels. From level 8 to level 10, you earn 3% commissions. These levels require deposits from $350 to $450 to unlock. This allows you to benefit from a much larger and active team structure. More levels unlocked means more daily commissions. Levels 11 to 17 each offer 1% commission on your team's daily profits. To unlock these levels, your personal deposit ranges from $500 to $1,000. You earn this commission every time someone in those levels claims their rewards. It's a simple way to grow lifetime income passively. Cluster Yield is designed for both transparency and performance. You get a real-time dashboard that shows your earnings and team stats. USDT withdrawals are instant, directly to your wallet with no delays. You can connect multiple wallets including MetaMask and SafePal. Everything runs on smart contracts. No admin access, no manipulation. Security is a top priority at Cluster Yield. Our smart contracts have been audited by Certic, Haze Crypto, and DAP Audit. There are no backdoors, no admin wallets, and no manual controls. Referral logic is also independently verified. All audits are public so you can verify everything yourself. If you're building a team, you can qualify for leadership rewards. We offer 3 roles. Community Manager 500 USDT monthly. City Leader one time 10,000 USDT bonus. Regional Manager 50,000 USDT strategic bonus. These roles are based on performance, events hosted, and total active investors. It's a great way to turn leadership into long-term earnings. Want to host a local event? If you gather 20 people and 7 of them invest, Cluster Yield rewards you with 250 USDT. You'll need to use official presentation materials and send in photo or video proof. This is part of our offline expansion strategy, and it's open to all verified users. Your capital stays locked for the full duration of the plan, but you continue earning daily USDT rewards during that time. Once the plan ends, your capital is released. You can withdraw it anytime or keep it in to continue earning. The longer you hold, the more you earn. Cluster Yield is built for long-term growth. Here's what's coming. Quarter 1. Platform launch and early feedback. Quarter 2. Advanced AI engine with more strategies. Quarter 3. Institutional tools and analytics dashboards. Quarter 4. Mobile app, DAO governance and referral NFT marketplace. Each milestone strengthens the ecosystem for users and partners alike. Cluster Yield offers real daily income with real technology behind it. AI-powered automation, fully audited smart contracts, and a 17-level referral model all in one platform. You stay in control of your funds, your earnings, and your future. Getting started takes just minutes. Ask for a referral link from the person who invited you. Visit clusteryield.com in your dApp browser and connect your wallet. Choose a plan, deposit USDT, and let the AI do the rest. Daily rewards begin instantly, and your earning journey starts. Cluster Yield has been featured across top crypto media. Dappradar, the BitTimes tech announcer, Bitcoin Insider, Crypto Times Trade Brains. This coverage confirms what users already know, that Cluster Yield is a serious player in AI-powered DeFi. Thanks for watching. Cluster Yield is secure, automated, and designed to help you grow whether you're investing solo or building a network. Visit clusteryield.com today to get started or reach out to your referrer for a link. Let's build something big together.